Hello YouTube. Okay, so this is me, Chips56 here, back with you. Okay, so today what we are gonna do is I'm gonna teach you how to mod your Beyblade RF tip. Okay, so you see, a normal RF is a little bit low on stamina. So basically, when you mod it, it gives it like CS effect, and yeah. Okay, so first get your RF tip and your screwdriver. Okay, and then you need a light launcher or a light launcher too. In this video, I use a light launcher to spare one. This is broken. Look at the case; it's really broken, and this part is also broken and it doesn't work very well. So, okay, so I'm gonna mod it. Okay, first, okay, this part here, get your screwdriver and take one of these out. See, 1, 2, 3, get just one of these, really. It doesn't matter which one you do, just any one of these will work, okay? Good. Now take this, the RF tip. Sorry, it's cut blur for no reason. Okay, and then put this in. Just try to poke a little bit, okay? Poke a little hole. Yeah, okay. Now take your screwdriver and screw the RF. I'm sorry. Okay. You don't want it to go too in because it will eventually become. So you want to go like this. This is good. This is very good. It's like CS. This is sharp part. Okay, so I'm gonna show you it in action. This is just a camera. Then focus it. Okay. Yes, a little bit higher control than RF. Has more stamina. And it is like more aggressive, and the spin is very good when it's like dead. It's still in very good spin. Okay, so yeah. So basically, this is how you mod your RF tip. And thanks for watching, guys. This is Chips56 signing out. Yo, yeah!